All right, speaking of upcoming Apple products, this one is possibly more exciting. It's been rumored for about 1 billion years now. People saying, when's Apple going to do the foldable? And then they said, they're never going to do the foldable. And then Ming-Chi comes out, he said, they're going to do the foldable. That's what he said to me. He called me up.
To you?
Mm-hmm. Oh. Yeah. And then I called up Mac Rumors. I'm like, let me tell you what Ming-Chi just told me.
Very cohesive.
We got a whole system.
Yeah.
It's not what happened. I got to tell the truth over here, Will. You're leading people astray. Although, Ming-Chi, you want to give a call? No problem. We'll take your call. Well, actually, you can come sit in a chair. We get this whole thing sorted out.
For sure.
With world travel and whatnot.
Yeah. Tell us some stories, Ming-Chi.
Imagine Ming-Chi on the show. He's probably got a lot going on. I don't know. Does he travel around? I've never even seen a picture of Ming-Chi. Yeah, he lives on the Mac Rumors type sites, doesn't he? He's there every day. We're going to get a picture right now? Or maybe he's never been.
I don't think so.
Oh, really? You think he's never been? There he is. Okay, we got him. Oh, I like the picture on the far left. I like the picture on the first one. Look at this with the collar popped out there. You understand? No tie. Don't need it.
He does look like a Ming-Chi.
That's right. I mean, this guy right here doesn't mess around. That would be amazing to get him on the show.
Yeah.
That would be amazing. Anyway, we can only hope.
Mm-hmm.
We'll get Ming-Chi and Tim at the same time.
Yeah, let them hash it out. Boxing match style.
Anyway, he says Apple's Foldable is going to have an 8-inch QHD Plus flexible OLED display and is going to come out in 2023. All the good rumors are 12 years from now.
Yeah.
You see, because then it can be anything. Uh-huh. This is in his note to investors. Just keep putting this stuff out. Predicting the foldable iPhone shipments will reach 15 to 20 million units in 2023. We expect the foldable iPhone will adopt TPK's silver nanowire touch solution because of its several advantages over SDC's Y-Octa technology. Oh, so they figured out who will be the exclusive display supplier, SDC. And then that's what leads to their speculation here. You see, you got to plan these things in advance, Will.
Yeah.
I'm going to go make 1 million of these units.
They're not going with LG?
15 to 20 million units. You got to make a deal. You got to shake some hands. Right. You got to sit around the Lazy Susan and watch it spin.
Round and round we go.
And you got to drink the tea at the end.
Yes.
You understand that. And it's a fancy type of tea situation that comes out.
Yeah.
Am I remembering correctly? Yeah.
Yeah.
But you get to choose between a couple different teas, right? You don't have to just take the plain tea.
That I don't remember.
So we just had one tea? Well, I feel like I had some options.
Maybe. Besides Orange Pico.
How dare you? Well, there ain't no Orange Pico over there at the Lazy Susan.
No?
No. It's the loose leaf. It's the
oolong.
Oh, you got some oolong.
Yeah.
There you go. Now you're starting to catch up over here.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming through on that.
There you go.
All right. He says Apple is already using this silver nanowire for the touch interface on the HomePod. Interesting. Mastering that technology at a lower cost using small volume production. You see, they're always doing stuff over here. Anyway, the comment section down here on Mac Rumors, the top one with 51 votes from Anthony Jr., he says no thank you. He doesn't want to fold. Will he say the same in 2023 when it's all the rage? And you can't even walk 2 feet without seeing people flipping and flapping their iPhone foldable. It's going to be tough. You know the way Apple's going to do it with the commercials and all this? They're going to say, and now it's in purple. And then everyone's going to go, woo!
Yeah.
I saw the purple commercial the other day. I'm like, they really made a whole campaign around a color purple? Yeah, they did. Because they can do it.
Yeah, sure.
Imagine that. You do a whole ad campaign on a phone that came out a while ago, and the ad campaign is purple. And actually, at the end of it, it goes, purple. That's what it does at the end of the commercial. Yeah, it does.